filming? How much space is there here? How much space is there right over Aiden's face? Right, okay, so we asked the internet how to get more power out of the car. That's literally what we said, how to get more power from the car. They said, exhaust, air filter, service, remap. That's what we're going to do.
We didn't put any details into what car it was that we were going to make faster, we just put what makes my car faster.
What makes the car faster. So here's this. Fucking intake. That's it.
Oh.
What's it? That one's bad. I've got that one.
It's the same keep it shit.
It's so shit. Thanks for working. I'm rusty.
It's already corroded.
We never even used it. It comes in the box. It's gone rusty on the way from China.
It's probably fine to hit the UK.
Look at the fucking state of that. PCB tip, only use the best quality parts.
Smells good, have a whiff.
We need this one.
Oh, your actual K&N.
Oh fuck. Do you need that?
Cut a hole in the bottom.
You're Aiden. Choo! You fucking dick. Yeah, this one here.
This one?
Yeah.
I thought you said blue.
Yeah, it is, look.
I was looking for one of these. Who invited you, kitty? No one. Oi. Oi. Cat. Oh, he's fucked off.
These little brackets here. I reckon I can undo it, use that bit. What do you reckon?
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Need more hands. Oh, you're fucking joking. Please tell me I'm doing this. I don't know why I even fucking pretend I have any idea what the fuck I'm doing half the time. What do you reckon?
Well, I reckon if we get a leak from our washer liquid, is our engine will be clean.
On the inside, yeah. It's raining. Great British summertime, Aiden.
Fucking brisk.
40 degrees, mate, here in Britain. Fuck's sake. There you go. It's actually a really healthy plug. The engine's running quite well. Focus, you fuck. The engine's running quite well. But no one ever bitched about new ones, did they?
Almost. Almost. There we are.
We use this shit all the time, comma, X, flow, flush out. It's really good for stuff that's not been serviced properly for like a long time. Just flushes out like, it's like clear, flushes out all the shit inside. Just let that run up the temperature for 5 or 10 minutes and then a cup of tea. Ooh. When it's warm, we'll come and drain it out and put some nice fresh Triple QX 530 for petrol and diesel engines. Blah 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 blah. Getting cold now. So, you filming?
Fucking rain.
So let the mineral flush warm up, drain it out again, change oil filter again, fill out with some nice, clean, fresh oil. And to be honest, I fucking had enough of this bollocks. So we're gonna fucking come back another day and do the exhaust and shit, because I ain't fucking letting. Look at the fucking state.
That's a lot smoother.
Silent, mate. That does actually sound a lot quieter. It's been dying for it for fucking ages. When was the last time your mum had a service? Don't look at me like that. Why are you looking at me like that? You always keep your rags nice and clean.
Yeah, because nice and dry, so you got a bit of...
I mean, it's all covered in oil now, so it's water resistant. Great British summertime. You see it? Want to see how wet it is?
fucking bollocks.
Ain't Sweetie right, hashtag.